कितनी मेहनत के बाद मुझे ये टिकट मिल पाया है। बहुत दिन से मैं इसे ढूंढ रही थी कि ये मुझे मिल जाए किसी तरह। वाओ, कितनी खूबसूरत टिकट है ये। टिकट कलेक्शन इज माई हॉबी। आई यूज्ड टू कलेक्ट टिकट्स सिंस माई चाइल्डहुड एंड आई एम श्योर आप लोग भी टिकट्स कलेक्ट करते होंगे। क्या आप जानते हैं इस टिकट के जरिए किसे सम्मानित किया गया है? बिल्कुल सही, हमारे देश के बहुत फेमस ऑथर वाइकम मोहम्मद बशीर जी को। वाइकम मोहम्मद बशीर जी की एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी हमने भी रीड की है, याद है आपको? द स्नेक एंड द मिरर। दिस स्टोरी स्पार्कल्स विद बशीर्स विट एंड ह्यूमर। इसमें शॉर्ट स्टोरी के सारे एलिमेंट्स हैं। इसमें सस्पेंस है, इसमें ड्रामा है। वी एज लिसनर्स read the story holding our breath till the narrator reaches the end. बशीर जी का टैलेंट एज स्टोरी टेलर बहुत अच्छे से विजिबल है इसमें। इस स्टोरी में एक कॉम्प्लेक्स सिचुएशन की बात की गई है जिसमें सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन है। द नरेटर इज अ वेन एंड फुलिश यंग मैन who in a moment of crisis realizes that he is stupid and foolish. This story is translated from Malayalam by V. Abdullah. तो चलिए आज एक शॉर्ट समरी द स्नेक एंड द मिरर की देखते हैं। A few friends were discussing snakes. One of them, a homeopath doctor, told them a story how once a snake coiled himself around its arm. He lived in a small rented room. It had one wall facing the yard. It had two windows, a tiled roof, and the tiles were supported by gables with beams over the wall. The rats frequented the room from the beam, and the room was not electrified. One hot summer afternoon, he returned to his room after having his meal at the restaurant. When he opened the door, he heard a familiar sound from above. He lit the kerosene lamp on the table and took out his black coat, white shirt, and dirty vest and hung them up. The doctor sat down on the chair, looking into the large mirror on the table. Doctor looked into the mirror for a close look on his face. He decided to shave daily and grow a thin mustache so that he would look more smarter. He smiled charmingly and decided to keep the same to look more handsome. As he paced up and down in the room, a lovely thought came into his mind. He would marry a rich lady doctor. His wife must be fat so that when he committed a silly mistake, she might not be able to run after him and catch him. He again occupied his seat in the chair. Suddenly, he heard a third sound. Before he could understand anything, a fat snake wriggled over the back of the chair and landed on his shoulder. Then it slid from his shoulder and coiled himself around his left arm above the elbow. Its hood was spread out. It was 3 to 4 inches away from his face. He sat motionless as if he was a statue, but his mind was active. He knew at even the slightest movement the snake would bite. The death lurked 4 inches away, but he could do nothing. Suddenly, the snake turned its head and looked into the mirror. As he saw its own reflection, it unwound itself from the arm and crept onto the table. It moved towards the mirror. He got up from the chair and quietly went out through the door. He ran and ran till he reached a friend's house. Immediately, he smeared oil all over the body and took a bath. Next morning, accompanied by his friend and some other people, he went to the room to collect his belongings. But some thief has removed everything except the dirty vest. जानते हैं, जब डॉक्टर से उनके फ्रेंड्स ने पूछा उनकी वाइफ के बारे में, तो डॉक्टर सेड, My wife is a thin, reedy person with a gift of sprinter. ये सुनकर उनके सभी फ्रेंड्स खूब हंसे. And when asked about the snake, the doctor said, it was a snake who was taken away by its own beauty. So I hope इस अच्छे नरेटिव स्टाइल में लिखी ये शॉर्ट स्टोरी आपको बहुत पसंद आई होगी. इसे याद रखने के लिए आप इन 7 पॉइंट्स को याद रखिए, जिससे आपके माइंड में ये स्टोरी फिक्स हो जाए. कौन से पॉइंट्स? रेंटेड रूम ऑफ द डॉक्टर, hearing a familiar sound, looking into the mirror, a lovely thought, appearance of snake, motionless as a statue, and breathless race. तो आई होप इन सभी पॉइंट्स को याद रख के आप समरी को अच्छे से याद रख पाएंगे. टिल देन, हैप्पी लर्निंग.